Milk can make or break your matcha latte. If you are in the Philippines, I am going to review these 4 brands individually to find out whether each one of these is worthy of your ceremonial grade matcha. We are going to test 4 criteria. Number 1, has it got natural sweetness? Number 2, is the texture creamy? Number 3, does the milk overpower the taste of the matcha? And number 4, what if we add sweetener to the milk? Alaska fresh milk. I'll use 120 ml of milk. So the first matcha latte will just be milk and our matcha. 5 grams of matcha whisked in 40 ml of water. Creaminess, I'd say 8 out of 10. Not very creamy. Natural sweetness, yes, it has got a natural sweetness. I'd say the taste of the milk is the lingering aftertaste. Let's find out if we add sweetener, will it change? The balance is better with some sweetener here. My overall rating for Alaska fresh milk, it is 8 out of 10 because the milk kind of overpowers the taste of the matcha without any sweetener at all. Make sure you add sweetener if you are going to use this milk. Emborg fresh milk, 120 milliliters fresh milk. Pour this into my cup of ice. 5 grams of matcha whisked in 40 ml of water. Since it's a high grade of matcha, your choice of milk is absolutely important. Texture is creamy. I'll give it 10 out of 10. Natural sweetness, I'll give it about 9 out of 10. The taste of the matcha is lost in the taste of the milk. Somehow the milk is overpowering the taste of the matcha. Now let's put sweetener and find out whether it improves the taste or it makes it more balanced. Definitely better with a sweetener. So what I would suggest is if you are going to use this milk, make sure you add some sweetener. It could be vanilla, it could be white chocolate syrup, or just plain sugar syrup. I'd give this milk for my matcha latte an 8 out of 10. Nestle fresh milk. I will use 120 ml of milk, 5 grams of matcha, whisk in 40 ml of warm water. Very deep green. The texture of the milk is light, it's not very creamy, a hint of natural sweetness in here. The matcha and the milk are perfectly balanced. No one overpowers the other. Now, let's take a look at whether the taste of the matcha is better when we add sweetener. I'm going to add 1 pump or 5 ml of my sugar syrup, plain sugar syrup, and the taste is just even better. I would say natural sweetness is there, creaminess is not quite there. Matcha does not overpower the taste of the milk, nor vice versa. It's perfectly balanced, but because of the texture, I'd give this a 9 out of 10. It is good with or without sweetener. Meiji fresh milk, which is originally from Thailand. It is available in 2 options. One is the regular fat milk, 3% to about 3.7%, and the other, which is red color, that has a higher fat content, more creamy. 120 ml of my milk. For the first taste test, we are not going to add any sweetener, and then we'll pour our matcha, which is 5 grams of matcha whisked in 40 ml of water. Beautiful, vibrant green color. The milk is very creamy, so I'd say combined with that creamy matcha, I'm very happy with the texture of this. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. Does it have a natural sweetness? Sweetness is there. Without the sugar syrup, it tastes good. There is a balance in the taste of the matcha and the milk here. None is overpowering the other. What about if we add sugar syrup? Will it make the taste better? I'm going to add 5 ml or 1 teaspoon of sugar syrup. And the taste is definitely better. So this milk is good with or without sweetener. So I would give this milk a rating of, I'd say, 10 out of 10. This is Meiji in iced matcha latte. In summary, after taste testing 4 of these milk brands in the Philippines, I'd go with the first one, Meiji Fresh Milk. I gave this a 10 out of 10 because it ticks all the boxes. Alaska, I gave this 8 out of 10 because the milk tends to overpower the taste of the matcha. But if you add sweetener, it's okay. It's the same with Emborg here. The milk overpowers the taste of the matcha, although the creaminess this is the #1 brand. For Nestle, I gave this a 9 out of 10 because I love the taste of this one with my matcha, but the texture is quite light. So if we look at the value for money in terms of the cheapest, Emborg was the cheapest one in wholesale especially, followed by Alaska, and then Nestle. Meiji is the most expensive at this time. I don't know if they will reduce the price in the future, but if I'm asking, if you're looking for a value for money and my recommendation, I would go with Nestle Fresh Milk for Matcha Latte. So that's all I would like to share with you today. If you have any questions at all, or if you found something different from my results here, do let us know in the comments below. Next series would be about comparing different brands of oat milk, so stay tuned. I'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.